So in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can apply the watermarks to your videos on the Davinci Resolve software. So all you need to do is to just simply open the software, import the video clips to the timeline of which you want to apply this effect. For example, this is a basic video clip of which I want to apply this particular watermark effect. So all you need to do to just simply on this effect panel, just simply search for the watermark. You can see if I write watermark over there, a fusion effect of watermark has been there. If I drag my mouse over there, you can see how the effect is going to be looking on my video. Just simply drag and drop to the video clip of which you want to apply this effect. For example, if I drag and drop to here, now from here you can see the clip name or how the watermark is going to be looking. Just simply change the size or the logo saturation or some values so that it will be looking more appealing to the logo to your particular video clip, and the multiple watermarks has been now enabled. You can make changes to the text or the images as well. You can see this effect has been applying to my video. So by this method you can easily apply watermark to your videos. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.